Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and I'm so glad to see you today. And when I say we, I mean my friends. These are my friends, Pete, Malik, and Chastity. Say hi, friends. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Wow, did you enjoy singing that song? Did you all enjoy singing it? Yes, we all did. Did you enjoy singing that song? Very good. Now we're going to say a poem. Now we're going to say a nursery rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat in the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Would you like to say that again? Let's say that again. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to be such a sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Very good. Now, let's go over our 5 senses. Do you know you have 5 senses? I can see with my eyes. Come on, Malik and Chastity and Pete. Say it along with us. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my fingers. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. Very good. Give yourself a hand, pat yourself on the shoulder, and say, good job. All right. Now that you did that so well, can you say the days of the week with me? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's say the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Good job, kids. And good job to you. Can you give yourself a hand and a pat on the shoulder and say, good job? All right. Are you ready for some counting? Let's count. But before we count, let's sing some songs. Do you feel like singing? Let's sing. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head, head. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your chin, chin. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your nose, nose. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, Point your finger down. Put it on your arm. Arm. Put it on your head. Head. Put it on your chin. Chin. Put it on your nose. Nose. Put it on your arm. Arm. Now let's say goodbye. Goodbye. But don't you go away. Don't go away yet, because we have some more learning to do. All right. Can you count from 1 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now, let's say the numbers from 1 to 10 in Spanish. 1, oops. I said say them in Spanish and I did English. Okay, let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's say it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Give yourselves a hand. Pat yourselves on the shoulder. And Pete, Chastity, and Malik says, good job. You did an excellent job. Now, let's do our letter for the day. But before we do that, we have another song to sing. Would you like to sing along with us another song? Okay, let's sing. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mama finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Those are all of our fingers. This is our thumb, daddy finger. Our mommy finger is the first finger. Our brother finger is the middle finger. Our sister finger is the index finger. And the last finger, which we'll call the baby finger. Very good. Good job. Okay, are you ready to do the letter of the day? The letter of the day is the letter G. So, I placed on our board green. Green starts with the letter G. Green. Now, remember, whenever you're writing, we don't want to write on the walls. We want to ask an adult for a piece of paper, and we want to write with our first finger and our thumb. We're going to use our pinchers, and we're going to hold our pen. We can use a marker or a pencil or a crayon, whichever you have. And we're going to write the letter G. But before we start, we're going to just do some half of circles to get practice. this. See, half a circle, half a circle, half a circle, half a circle. Now, the letter G has a half a circle, but it also has a big stomach. So we're going to go all the way around and then come across and stop. Right there, and that is how we make the letter G. Now let's do that again. First, let me find my eraser. Okay. We're just going to use this right here for now. So let's erase that. And we're going to do a half a circle. And he has a big stomach. And you come across and stop. Okay? Now let's practice writing some half a circles first. And remember, it's a little tricky, but the more you practice, the easier it becomes. So let's do it again. Half a circle, half a circle, half a circle, half a circle. And just take your time and go real slow. And if you have someone at home that can help you write the letters, you can ask them to guide your hand. It's like this. Half a circle. Then we're going to come up with his big stomach and stop. Okay? All right? Now, this is the mama G. Now, we also going to make a baby G, but let's get started with the mama G first. Okay? Half a circle, come up, give him a big belly, and stop. Okay? Let's do that again. Half a circle, come up, a big belly, and stop. Good job. Half a circle, come up, a big belly, and stop. Let's do some more. Half a circle, big belly, and stop. So this is the mama G. And if you just want to practice with doing half a circles, that's fine too. Then you can add the belly later. But you just take your time, because the more you practice, the easier it will become. Okay? Now, let's do a baby G. Now, a baby G is a full circle and then has a long tail. Okay? A full circle, which is a small circle, and then it has a long tail. Let's do that again. Full circle and a long tail, and you curve it like that. Full circle and a long tail. Full circle and a long tail. Let's do it again. Now first we're going to break this up into steps. Let's just do the full small circle when it comes to the baby G. And I know this may seem like a lot, but the more you practice, the easier it will become. Okay? So you don't have to do it perfect the first time, nor the second time, nor the third time. There's no limit into practicing and trying to write your letters. We're just proud of you that you tried. Okay? Let's do it again. Let's just make little circles. See? Little circles, little circles. Okay. Now, we're going to make little circles, and we're going to add a curvy tail. Little circles and a curvy tail. This is the baby G. Little circles and a curvy tail. And remember, your alphabets do not have to be written perfectly. We just want you to try, okay? So don't get upset and don't get frustrated and don't cry, because the more you try, the better you become, okay? All right? I'm just proud of you for trying. Okay, let's do a full circle, which is a baby circle. And then we're going to do a tail. Baby circle and a tail. Baby circle and a tail. Very good. All right, let's go back. Take a break. I'm going to put my pin here. We're going to wiggle our fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay? So give your hand a little break. Now, you ready? Are you ready, Pete, Malik, and Chastity? Let's start again. Okay? Now, we're going to do a half a circle. And then we're going to come across with a big old belly. That's the mama G. Half a circle. Come across with big belly and stop. Let's do it again. Half a circle. Come across with a big belly and stop. Half a circle. Come across. Oops. With a big belly and stop. Very good. Good job. We are so proud of you. Okay, let's do some more. Half a circle. Come across with a big belly and stop. Good job. You did an excellent job listening and practicing writing your letters. So until next time, Pete, Malik, and Chastity, say goodbye. We're so happy to see you. And until next time, join with us at Circle Time Kids Club. Bye-bye.